Welcome to Nand to Infinity. In this video we'll be discussing half adders. Half adders have two inputs and two outputs, as can be seen from the table over here. The two inputs are A and B typically, and the outputs are typically out and carry, or C for short. The trick to making one is to realize that the out is essentially just an exclusive OR gate, while the C or K output is essentially an AND gate. Though you could make it using 7 NAND gates instead of 8 by realizing that you can share one of the NAND gates between them, as seen from the figure over here. Moving on, the reason they're called half adders is because they do not accept a carry bit as input, unlike a full adders, which we'll be talking about in the next video. See you then.